Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Bank of India NetBanking. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Bank of India login. That is Bank of India login, and then hit go enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying Bank of India, and then tap on close if there are any notices. Tap on English, tap on and then tap on the little profile icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on Omni Neo Retail, hit agree. If you're in a mobile browser, here you must use your user ID or customer ID, your debit card, or your login QR. For now, we're going to be using user ID or customer ID. You'll have to enter your user ID and then select the landing page you want to go to after you're logged in, and then hit secure login. If this is the first time that you're logging in, simply head over to registration. Tap on I accept the terms, hit proceed. Tap on I accept the terms and conditions, enter your user ID, hit proceed, and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions like creating your login ID and password to create your account, after which you'll be able to log in. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.